Step 3 in the home selling process is going to be filling out your escrow docs. So the escrow company, as we mentioned in the first video, they're kind of the middle person who holds everything together. They're going to be sending out a package to you and asking for a variety of different bits of information for you to review, to sign, and to complete. I want to make sure you're aware there's going to be 2 documents in there that are going to require that you have a notary sign them. One of them is going to be the grant deed, which is going to ultimately be the document that transfers the title of the property to the buyer when we close. And the second is going to be the wiring instructions. So if you choose to have the money wired to you when it closes, they want to have that notarized, right? We can never be too safe when it comes to wires. So everything in there you'll be able to fill out. 2 of them you're going to need to meet with a notary. If you need a connection to a notary, reach out to our transaction coordinator. They're happy to connect you with one. But you can go to places like the UPS store has notaries, or you could probably just Google notaries, or you could even reach out to the escrow company. They could probably send someone to the house. If you're super busy, you don't have time, they can maybe even send somebody to help you out with that. The other thing that escrow is going to reach out to you on is if you're selling a home that's part of an HOA. One of the things that is typically agreed to in the purchase agreement is that the seller is going to provide HOA documents to the buyer. Most of the HOAs today are going to require an upfront payment in order to get those documents. So when the escrow company reaches out to you and asks you for that payment, it's okay. Most everything else in the transaction gets paid at closing, but the HOA documents is one of the few things that needs to get paid up front because most HOAs don't want to release the documents until they get payment. So if possible, please pay that when the escrow company reaches out to you so that we can get those to the buyer, we can stay on track and get your property closed on time. If you have any questions at this point in the process, reach out to your agent. They'll be happy to help you out. Step 3 in the home selling process.